Hello friends, I am Dr. Kanchan Gupta from Dr. Kanchan's desk. You are welcome at my desk. Today my topic is very important about roses. Rose, the flower, the aromatic flower, ROSA CANINA and Cynosbati, and all types of roses which are not hybrid. Rose Hip Herbal Tea and dietary supplements are available in market online. The link is shared in my description box. We get Ark Gulab, Sat Gulab, eye drops and Gulkand easily in market, and the eye drops are called rose water. Gulab jal is poured in eyes to treat optical problems. Roses are grown, presented to friends, used in religious rituals, bouquet kept in patient's room to attract positive vibration from universe. Rosa DAMASCENA is an ancient heart tonic. It contains up to 50% of rose oil. Highest quality of rose water is produced in Kashan. Kaaba is washed yearly by special rose water. It Roses are used in food industry also. The rose hips, the pseudo fruit of rose plant. It's sweet and tart in taste. Roses have innumerable colors: red, pink, white, yellow, black, orange, and so on. The rose hip is the bulb. Underneath the rose petals, the rose hip is filled with many seeds. It contains volatile oil, citronella, geraniol, phenyl, ethyl alcohol, flavonoids, hydrozole, anthocyanin, and carbohylic acid. Volatile oil relieves pains. Rose petals, rose hips are edible and rich in nutrients. It's the most expensive item. It's a good source of ethamalics, chlorophoric acid, terpenes, glycosides, calories, carbonates, fibers, vitamin A and vitamin B, vitamin C and E. It also contains geraniol and eugenol. Presence of carotenoid pigments are known as lycopene and beta carotene, which gives color red orange to rose hips. These carotenoids promote skin and optical health. It reduces cell damages. It improves blood flow to heart. It's anti-aging, astaxanthin, vitamin C, catechins, and quercetin, and ellagic acid. Also presence of lycopene in roses protect skin cells. These contents are best to work against sunburns, inflammatory conditions, and lowers down the oxidative stress in our body, help in collagen synthesis. It affects on our central nervous system to relieve pains. Roses and rose hips and rose seeds, rose oil contain oleic acid, Linoleic acid and palmic acid and polyunsaturated fats to protect skin from inflammatory compounds such as pollution, ultraviolet rays, smoke, and allergens. Rose hip oil is popular analgesic, anti-aging, wound healing, anti-cancer, antidepressant, anti-mutagenic, hypnotic, anticonvulsive, and nervine tonic. The hip oil is anti-lipase, antibacterial, antitussive, histamine inhibitor, diuretic, antispasmodic. So it's a great remedy to treat hysteria, fits, epilepsy and seizures, fainting, dizziness, giddiness, drowsiness. It treats depression, sadness, grief, stress, tension, nervousness. Consuming the supplements in powdered form treats wrinkles. The supplements of rose petals, rose hips, and rose oil increase moisture content and elasticity in skin. It treats skin blemishes, facial blemishes, chloasma, melasma, pigmentation, skin diseases and scars. It maintains skin protective barrier against outside pathogens. It reduces arthritic pains, the erosion and decline and decay, degenerative disorders of cartilages in our joints. It stimulates the production of lymphocytes. Rose hip, rose water, rose seeds, rose oil are potential fat loss aid to treat obesity. It decreases abdominal fat. It increases fat metabolic activities. It helps in digestion and metabolism of fat. It lowers cholesterol level and blood pressure. Rosa canina, rosa canine contains telerosides which treats diabetes by lowering the blood sugar and helps to burn fat. Have rose hip tea to find its miraculous effect on your system. European beverages and Nippon sopa is a classical Swedish rose hip soup. Its marmalades and jams are prepared. Its jam and jelly in India and Pakistan is known as gulukand. Gul means flower. The preparation by roses. Gulukand is very popular in Middle East also, but note that excess of supplements have their side effects. Those who are already having antidepressant remedies, the drugs, the allopathic medicines, or suffering from sickle cell anemia, or those with iron disorders should not have it because it may cause nausea and stomach issue. Rose oil contains citronellol, geraniol and nerol which acts to destroy E. coli, which leads to great burning about urinary tract and which develops in excess in intestine. Same nerol Citronellol and geraniol also destroy Candida albicans to cure our skin diseases. Roses contain butanol in petals and leaves and oil to relax tracheal inflammation, to treat pharyngitis, laryngitis, chronic cough, hay fever, allergies, sinusitis, rhinitis, bronchitis, tuberculosis, tonsillitis, bronchodilatory effects, and so on. Butanol promotes digestive enzymes. The supplement acts on our optical nerves to cure xerosis, the dry eyes, and cataract. As it treats diabetes, it also cures esophagitis, the burning of any part of food pipe. As it treats infections, so it treats the infection about respiratory organs, alimentary organs, urinary organs, eyes, ears, and cures otorrhea, tinnitus, eustachian catarrh, and deafness. It treats headaches, migraine, neuritic atrophy, synaptic loss, seizures, epilepsy, hysteria, dementia, and Alzheimer's, and infantile refractory seizures. It stops neural cell death, the degenerative disorder of brain cells and chemical, the degenerative disorder of neurotransmitters and neurons. It treats chest pain, hemorrhagic conditions such as nose bleeding, excess menstrual flow, hematuria, bloody cough, also abdominal cramps, digestive problems, bladder affections, dysuria, and so on. Roses are edible. Remove any insect about fresh rose and just eat it. Try the supplements and find the effects. So friends, ROSA CANINA and ROSA DAMASCENA is a great homeopathic remedy also, although best of Ayurvedic and Unani remedy. Its syrups known as Gulab Ka Sharbat is easily available. If you like my lecture, please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you.